Hi everyone, welcome to another video on ServiceNow. In the last video, we saw how we can save our application onto the GitHub. In this particular video, we are going to see how we can import an application from any of the source control, GitHub in this case. Uh, So what do we mean by importing an application? Importing an application basically means taking an application from an external source onto your current instance. So what would be the usual use cases? One would be if we consider learning currently, due to inactivity, if you happen to lose your PDI and luckily we have it saved on the GitHub, then there is an option for us to retrieve the application on a new instance, basically restore an application on a new instance. In real time, one could say that we have joined a new team. The team already works, already has built an application, and we have a testing instance where we have a test instance, or basically a personal dev instance where we would want uh, to load the application and see how the application is configured, how the application works, and then that is one case where we will have to import the application from an existing repository. So let's start with that. And I am using the same instance that I have been using in the last video. As so that means we will have to delete the existing application. So I have my instance opened. The application that we link to the repository, we will have a look into that. Of the applications that we create, we will be finding it in a table that is sysapp.list. So our application name was job portal. So we see it. There is another way we could reach to our application, that is you can type my company applications, and we will have it presented um, in the in a no um, in a dashboard view. So currently, I will delete this job portal, later import the same job portal application from my GitHub. So let me delete this. So I'm clicking this application. So I am currently on a global scope. So if I have to delete this, I'll have to move to the same scope as this application is. So let me switch to that. So once I have switched, I get an option to basically edit this application. So as part of it, I have a delete option. So I'm deleting this. Yeah, before this, before we delete this, I want to show that this application was earlier linked. So studio from here, because I want to see all the applications and the status whether our application is linked. So if you see the job portal sign, it says it is connected to the source control, and currently we don't have any changes after we have linked. So let us first delete this application. Coming to delete. So it's deleting the application now, and our application is deleted. So now we will go to studio and check what's the status. So if you see, we do not have the job portal application. Now it is now kind of a fresh instance, having no custom applications that we have built. But in case there is a scenario where we have built a lot of application uh, for learning, and basically we would want to start our PDA afresh. So there is an option, something like reset and wipe instance. You can basically clean your instance and bring it back in a fresh state using this particular option on available on the developer side. Mm. For now, I have just deleted the application, so I want to import a new application. So let me click on import from source control. Again, it is asking for the repository link, and it is asking for credentials, and it is asking for any branches we have created from which we would want to pull the application. So let us bring this. I'm logged into my GitHub account. So this is my branch, and it has two branches like we have created in the last video. One of the branches this, and main currently does not have any changes. The changes are in this particular branch. So I'll likely try to pull the changes from this particular branch. So first, let me get the link. I have the link now. Let me paste it here. Yep. And credential, if you remember in the last video, we have created the credential. This will be available on the sidebar under connections and credentials. So one could refer the old video, the previous video. So I have the GitHub credentials. Its validity was for 7 days. So hopefully the personal access token should work now. And this is the same branch that I'll be pulling the application from, and let me click on import. Yep, so the application is imported. Now let's see. Yeah, the job portal is there, and it is linked to the source control. So now if we try to find it, yeah, we have the job portal application. So that's it from the current video. In the next video, we will explore more on the version control support that ServiceNow provides. Thank you.